Hi everybody, I'm back again. We had our last vegan one, but today we're gonna go Asian again, and we're gonna do satay chicken. All right. So once in a while you wanna have that satay grilled chicken, but we don't have a grill obviously, or it's too cold. I have a shortcut method to do peanut or satay chicken, and here's how I do it. I'm gonna use chicken drumsticks, okay? And that's just straight chicken drumsticks. I'm gonna season it with a little bit of fish sauce. That's the salt. A little bit of sugar, because the peanut sauce for satay chicken is usually pretty sweet actually. Okay, I'm gonna put some coriander, ground coriander, turmeric, the miracle spice that cures, well, supposedly cures everything, but tastes fantastic. So we're gonna put some of that. Do a little bit of cumin. All right, just a little. That's cumin. I'm gonna put a little bit of Hainanese chicken rice seasoning. Now, the reason I'm using this is because it has garlic, shallot, and ginger, as well as lemongrass. Everything that usually goes into the marinade for satay chicken anyway. And this is very useful for a lot of Southeast Asian recipes. You can get it in the link below. Scoop down, and I'll show you where to get it if you can't find it at your Asian grocery store. Okay, some of that. A little bit of pepper. As much as you like. If you don't have kids, or if your kids like hot food, you can have chili pepper. But I'm going to opt that out today. All right? You're going to put one onion. So I'm going to show you how to chop an onion real quick. Right? Most of you already know, but for those of you who don't, here's how you do it. Right? Oops. You're going to cut it in half. Right? Cut it in half. Cut up the tip. And you have the tip. And what that allows you to do is allows you to peel it really easily. Okay. Peels really easily. Right? You only have the stem left. Don't cut that off completely. Just cut a little bit, because this will hold everything together. Right? So cut a little bit of it off. And then you just go down this way. Right? That's half. That's